Hi, second grade families. For Fundations today, I'm going to show you first how to get on the Lackawanna webpage to check the Fundations spelling list. So if you want to print out the list or copy them off the computer, I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I'm going to teach Trick Word Thursday for Fundations today. So here we go. So if you are on your computer and you go to Google to get onto the Lackawanna webpage, you're going to type Lackawanna Schools. Lackawanna Schools in the search bar. Okay, then you see our Lackawanna City School District homepage. Now on our homepage, there's going to be a lot of information. Okay, so if you want to scroll through, you can see our photo galleries on here, our slideshows on here. There is all kinds of news and announcements. All of that will be on here. Now, another thing you can do when you're on this page is you can find your teacher's webpage once they get those up. We're working on it. But right now what you can do is select a school right here in the top corner. Select Martin Road Schools, okay? On this gray bar across the middle, there is a link right here that says Teachers. So we were at Martin Road. Now we are on Teachers. If you go down to grade 2, you can see that we're working on our web pages. If you go down to Mrs. Thomas, right here, I'm starting to add some files to this. Right now, what you can do is click ELA Curriculum. There are 2 things for you to find here. All the Foundation spelling lists from now till the end of the year are on here, and the reading calendar. So if you click the reading calendar, there you go. September, October, you can scroll all the way down to where we are right now, which is April. This is the reading calendar that Mrs. Spinone was talking about in her lesson, in her video. Okay, you can print these or you can just look at them on the screen. And then under the Foundation spelling list file, right now we are on Unit 12. Okay, and here's the list. You can print it or you can just copy it down from the screen. If you use the back arrow, nope, actually it opened up in a new page. You can go back to the page and remember those Foundation spelling lists are under ELA Curriculum. And then there is a tab for Math, and that has your math calendars. Okay, these files here will have more attachments coming, but for right now, those are the things that are available to you. Okay, so click ELA Curriculum once you get to Mrs. Thomas, and you will see Foundation spelling lists if you want to have those to print out. Okay, now today for Foundations, it is Thursday, so we are going to play Trick Word Thursday. We are on Unit 12. This is our list for the week. We were talking about OI and OY words. And then some of our words on our spelling list are trick words from here to here. Trick words are the ones that you cannot tap out. You have to memorize them because they do not follow the patterns that we're learning. Okay, so I took some of those trick words plus some of the other ones that were in this chapter, and I made you some flashcards. So what you're going to want to do is get ready because we're going to count how many of these trick words you can do quickly. Remember, trick words, we want to do them quickly. That's called reading with fluency, so that when you're reading, you don't have to stop and think about every word. First word, I'll give you 3 seconds and then I will tell you what it is. Ready? Away. Picture. Answer. World. Night. Family. Together. Place. Once. Always. against, sure, large, carry, one, ocean, early, favorite, walk, again. Okay, so if you want to play again, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to scramble them all up. Okay, and scramble out the order. And we'll play again. This time I'm going to give you 2 seconds to see if you can get it. If there's any of these that you get stuck on, I would say that you should write them down, and maybe if you have a big piece of paper, maybe you can cut the piece of paper into smaller pieces so you have more, and you can make little cards for yourself, and you can practice just the ones that you're stuck on. Okay, we're going to focus on the ones that you get stuck on. So if you cannot think of it in 3 seconds, those are the ones that you should practice. Okay, scrambled them up. Here we go again. Once, place, family, night, together, again, walk, favorite, early, ocean, one, carry, large, sure, against, always, world, answer, picture, away. That's it. Good job. So play the video back if you got stuck on any, and you can write those down and practice. Great job, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.